In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Microsoft Word. This is a handy trick, especially if you're creating a document where you want readers to be able to easily contact you or another party directly by clicking an image. Let's dive right into it and make this as straightforward as possible. To begin, you need to insert the image that you'd like to hyperlink. Head over to the Insert tab at the top of your Word document. Click on Pictures and select the image you want to use from your files. Once your image is in the document, click on it to make sure it's selected. You'll see small squares or handles appear around the image, indicating it's ready for the next step. With your image selected, return to the Insert tab. Now, look for the Link option. Depending on your settings, you might see this simply labeled as Link or Hyperlink. Alternatively, you can right-click directly on the image, and you'll see an option to link or hyperlink it in the context menu. Once you've clicked on the Link option, a hyperlink dialog box will appear. Here, you can make some key adjustments. First, you'll see a field labeled Text to Display. While you can leave this as is because it's related to text links, if you want, you can set an alt text for the image. Alt text is a brief description that helps make your document accessible to screen readers and also provides context if the image doesn't load. The most crucial part of this process is what comes next. In the address field of the hyperlink dialog box, you need to type a special command, tell, followed by the phone number you wish to be dialed when the image is clicked. For example, you would type tell 12345678990, replacing 12345678990 with the actual phone number you want to use. This tell link is what helps devices and applications recognize the command to start a phone call. Finally, click OK to apply the hyperlink. And there you have it. When someone clicks on this image within your document, it will attempt to initiate a call to that number. Of course, this will only work on devices and applications that support tell links, like smartphones or call-capable apps on a computer. And that wraps up the process. You've now successfully turned an ordinary image into a clickable link that can help connect people directly via phone. This is a powerful tool for documents that require quick response actions, be it in marketing materials, digital brochures, or even feedback forms. Thanks for watching. And I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to use hyperlinks with images in Microsoft Word more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your efficiency and creativity in Word.